So let me tell you what the value proposition of the shampoo is. What's so effective about this shampoo? It has an apple stem cell and plant protein, which helps to nourish your hair, bring more volume, and of course, bring shine, okay? Hey baddies, it's Bevy with Hair Scripts, and today we're talking about the top 4 volumizing shampoos that you need to use if you're dealing with thin, very limp, almost not there hair, okay? This is not me judging you because I have been fighting the thin fight myself, the thinning battle myself. But in the meantime, why not use something that's gonna help give you a little bit more volume and make you feel a little better about yourself, okay? So let's just jump right in and talk about the best volumizing shampoos. We're gonna start off with the Andalou Naturals Lavender and Biotin Full Volume Shampoo. This one, of course, is sulfate-free, okay? It has an amazing smell when you use it. And if you love lavender, this is gonna have a really great effect on your cortisol, on your stress levels. It's just really therapeutic. So this is definitely a self-care Saturday kind of shampoo experience, okay? And then, of course, this is really good for you if you have very thin texture, very limp, very brittle. The shampoo is perfect if you have, dry scalp or dry skin that may be irritable. It contains aloe vera, which of course is rich in amino acids, and it's hydrating. So it provides a protective barrier, okay? So it also works if you have a small budget, because a lot of people tell me that I always promote products that are, robbing the bank. And so I'm trying to be considerate of budget friendly, but I mean, sometimes you just gotta invest in certain things that's gonna work, right? Anyway, so moving on to the next one is Bumble Thickening Volume Shampoo. It's great for thin to medium hair and straight and wavy, okay? So again, I don't discriminate on this channel. We're all inclusive. So if you are a little bit on the 2 side, even on the 1 side, if you're wavier, or maybe your hair is not naturally wavy, it's just you've trained it to be wavy for different reasons. I'm not judging you. I've been there too, sis. I've been everywhere, okay? At this point, just know that this Bumble shampoo is good for you. Of course, it's best on natural colored hair. So if you have color treated hair, don't use this. And of course, you'll get better results if you combine it with, I guess, their thickening conditioner. So apparently they have a thickening conditioner. I don't know what's in the conditioner because I've never personally used the conditioner, but I'm just telling you about the Bumble if you want that volume. Now, I just want to put this out there. If you don't like fluffy hair, stay away from these shampoos because this is all about the fluff. This is going to give you that extra fluff, okay? Hey, baddie, are you losing your hair? Yes, you are, because you're on this channel. Anyway, listen, if those hair oils, DIY treatments, and hair growth pills are not working to help you regrow or thicken your hair, hear me, you've tried everything and it does not work. Go ahead and join the Hair Scripts community and let us help you effectively regrow your hair by giving you access to proven methods that are backed by receipts, honey, and effective products that will give you impactful results for free $99, okay? Yes, I said it, free $99. We partner with dermatologists, trichologists, and other healthcare practitioners to bring you real solutions for your hair loss. And you don't even have to leave your home, so stop being lazy, okay? Stop struggling to figure this out. Quit playing sis and just click the link below to join the community and get your freebies before it ain't free no more. Don't say I ain't tell you. Bye. Now, number 3 is Aveda Pure Abundance Volumizing Shampoo. Now, this product, unlike the previous product, the Bumble, this one is good for color treated hair. So if you do have a little bit of highlights, lowlights, or no lights in your hair, this one is good, okay? It's allergen free, it's free of nickel, and it contains acacia Senegal gum, okay? What is that? It has great bonding properties that is good for hydrating your hair and scalp. So it's a bond builder. So if you know anything about Olaplex and everything that everyone is talking about right now, they're talking about bonding conditioners, bonding treatments that are gonna repair the bonds in your hair. This shampoo not only is gonna give you that appearance of volume, but it's improving your bonds in the process, okay? Which is gonna improve your hair texture if you wonder why the hell a bond treatment is even important, right? It's about texture improvement. Anyway, it's perfect for your hair if you need something gentle, and it's also nickel free, okay? So now the last one is the NatureLab Tokyo Volume Shampoo and Conditioner Duo, okay? So it has a powdery floral scent, okay? That's similar to the Japanese cherry blossoms. So if you're not into floral, if you're not into powder scents, then this might not be for you. So let me tell you what the value proposition of the shampoo is. What's so effective about this shampoo? It has an apple stem cell and plant protein, which helps to nourish your hair, bring more volume, and of course bring shine, okay? Anything that's a stem cell means that we're going more into bio products, which is meaning that we're hacking the ingredient within the ingredient, okay? So that means you're getting something in its purest form, okay? The apple stem cells is going to help replenish and maintain a balanced and healthy scalp, of course, which means you're gonna have a pH balanced scalp. And if you know me, you know I don't like for my pH to be off, honey, anywhere on my body, okay? My pH has to be on at all times, okay? But, you know, that's neither here nor there. So, you know, having a healthy scalp, as you already know, and a balanced scalp is going to create a conducive environment for growth. It's like fertilizing the ground. If you have a green thumb, just think gardening, okay? Anytime you want a balanced environment that's conducive for growth, you know you have to fertilize it, but you know you can't strip away all of its bacteria, right? Okay, so this shampoo is good because it's not gonna strip you of your good bacteria. So those are the 4 shampoos. If you know me, you know that I love to talk, but I've been trying to get to the point because I've been getting some comments that I, you know, take forever to get to the point. So ladies, do me a favor. If you like stuff like this video if it helped you out, if I just got straight to the point, gave you what you wanted, gave you the tea and leave, right? And also subscribe because I give you a ton of stuff. If you don't know, I lost my hair back in 2018. I have pictures, I got a video somewhere, go check it out, subscribe to the channel. And everything that I'm telling you is some of the stuff that I did and more because I collab with dermatologists and trichologists and other healthcare practitioners to help you regrow your hair. To help you regrow your hair, repair your skin, and just release the inner baddie in you, okay? If you see me in 2018, honey, this will be a different conversation. Jesus, okay? So the glow up was real and the glow up was more because I was unhealthy and, you know, I'm just saying. But anyway, go ahead and subscribe so you can release the inner baddie in you. And I love you. Bye, baddies.